Okay, so we're almost done here, but what you will see currently what's happening is that this, once it goes red, it doesn't come back to black once we are less than 20, and it doesn't go back to orange once we are above 20 and less than 30. So we need to see how to fix that. So the easiest way to fix that would just be to clean the current styles before we start adding any styles. So what we can do here, or should be doing, is again use these elements, and we just need to remove danger, and we should also remove warning. So now, before we do anything, we basically want to remove any styling on the span, so it will go black really, and then after that it will then, based on the condition, it will go either red or orange. So if I do that, so let's just go refresh that now, and we do call, we run that, so now it's all black. And if we do this, Control V, see it's still under 20. If I do this now, it should go above 20. So if I do, can I do Control Z in here? Yes, I can. I run that. So now it goes nicely back to black, which is great. So if we do this, call, so that's red. I go here, Control Z, I make that, you see, so now it goes, the color flicks back and forth, because in our logic we say, hey, let's remove any styling every time I click on the button. Then once I click on the button, I check what the current total is, and then we style it either red or black. So one other thing we want to do here is I want to actually create a nice function here, and I want to give it a nice name. I want to style total color. I want to give it that name. So what we can do now is, again, I'll move all my code into here. So style total color, so current color, so we just say, hey, we want this variable to come in here. So now if I have this code like I have it now, so now based on this, if I run the code now, nothing will work. So if I do call, C, V, if I run this now, so it doesn't go because we're not calling the code. So now what we want to do here is I want to add this style total color, and I basically want to put this in here, Control V. So let's see now, so if I do call, Control C, Control V, if I run that, see now it goes orange, Control V, red. If I do Control Z, it goes back to orange. I go Control Z even more, run it, it goes black. So now all the colors are working very nicely. It goes back and forth between red and black and orange. And now we also have a very nice function here that's doing all the work for us. So our event handler is quite nice and small. So that's something to aim for, that you have a nice and clean event handler here, which stays quite nice and small. All the logic for doing the color sits in this function that's got a very descriptive, nice name. So yeah, so that's it. So now you should know how to work on this exercise, how to build DOM widgets, and then subsequently looking at the next elements on the screen, you need to do the same thing. This one is slightly different in that you need to add, call, add a button, and then one thing at a time. Either add a call or SMS total to the bigger totals, and then you need to put them on different places on the screen, the total, and keep a grand total. So it's slightly harder than this one, but the same principles apply, and the things that you've learned here is transferable to this one, and also things that you have seen in the screencast introducing the DOM should help you there. But yeah, so hopefully you can get on with that now, and you can finish calculate bill, and you can start with text input bill and get this exercise done.